Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to hide WhatsApp status of some friends very easily, because sometimes we want to hide WhatsApp status of some friends. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the WhatsApp, and here you can see update, so just click on it, and here select that friend which you want to mute. So press and hold that contact, and here you can see when you will click on mute, the new status update from this contact will not appear under recent update anymore. So just click on mute, so you can see this contact is mute. So guys, in this way you can hide WhatsApp status of some friends very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.